Hey folks, so today I have a Pixel 4a box with me and I'm going to do the unboxing for this. Google is written on this side, some details on this side, and then phone image on this side, and Google logo on this side, the new one. Now, in this one, it is written Pixel 4a. So 4a is the version of the phone. So its series started from 1 and this is the 4th series. Okay, and this is the Google. Okay, and now let me quickly show. This is the box. Okay, so this is how you open it, as simple as that. And now you can just lift the phone using this. Okay, this comes with a protective screen here and a Google behind logo, which is a bit gray in color. This is plain black, some plastic body here, and this is your fingerprint sensor, and this is your front camera, 3.5mm headphone jack, and what else? I think here we have the charging socket. Yep, charging socket. And the speakers I have heard is like very good in this one. They have a stereo speaker in this one. So right now I'm recording this video on a Pixel 3a XL series, which is XL size phone. That is, the screen size is a bit bigger, and it's a part of the series 3 of the Pixel, the same Pixel brand. It is the third series. So let us keep this aside now and further do the unboxing. We remove this one. That's all. That's a simple thing. And what is this? Let me just quickly open this. As usual, this looks like that SIM card remover. And what is this? This is explained how you can just put your SIM and how you can like remove your SIM once you have put it again. So this is the initial setup thing. And what is this one? I have to just okay, let me do that somehow. Okay, let me pause it. Yeah, so this one is like a, I don't know what it is. How to set up your new Pixel phone, meet your new Pixel. So all these details are given: power button, power up and down, USB-C port, this one charging one, Pixel fingerprint imprint they are calling it, and then this C-type to USB converter they have given, which is I think in the box only. Let me just show. Oh yeah, this is the C-type to C-type cable, C-type, and this also C-type. This is for charging. This is the standard charging port. So one C-type you will insert here and one in the phone, and then you plug it in the charger. And the India type socket here. This is covered in some plastic. You can just remove this one and use it. Let me just remove this for you. Okay, and what is this one? This is that USB to C converter. It is actually present inside. We can just remove it later. So yeah, that is the simple boxing here, and all these details are written, and hashtag Team Pixel, Pixel 4a, quantity 1N, and all those things, voltage details, manufactured by, this is the address of the Google headquarters here, all these details, Tamil Nadu. This is the packed by, okay, packed by in the Vietnam and imported in Reddington in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so there are three things: manufactured by this Google LLC, packed by BA Thien Industrial Zone in Vietnam, and imported in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So 600032, and this is from where I am getting this one, and all these details. and April 2021 is the year of manufacture, and 31,999, that is approx 32,000 is the MRP for this one. I have heard that the camera is pretty good on this one, so I am just eager to test out the camera etc. for this. Stay tuned folks. I hope you like the review. Thank you guys.